Hi guys, we're at Fisher Mall for another stop of J-Dean Fever Tour.
It's our third time na and sobrang namiss ko si James! It's finally may kasama na akong magsasay. But anyway, stay lang kayo guys. We'll have so much fun later. And I'll be singing 2 songs plus a duet with James.
Hi Nadine! Hi James! Oh my God! Excited na ako! Paano mo kinahal mo pag-sign ng CD? Thank you so much! Oh my God! Sobrang namin na Nadine!
Oh, medyo sobrang ganda rin natin. Finally, nakita ko si Nadine!
Today I'll be singing Randomantic, Bonfire Love Song, Wag Ka Lang Umirit, and also my duet with Nadine, Hanap Hanap, all from my album Read Alert, and also later there'll be a album signing, so watch out for that.
Gwapo ni Jake!
Kinikilig ako! Galing pa akong school! Ang saya-saya! Sobrang saya, nakakakilig. From school! Pumunta po talaga kami dito. Bawas na ako!
Thank you guys so much sa lahat ng suporta na binibigay niyo sa amin.
Handa ka na ba maging aking sinisinta? Pasensya ka na, parang trip ko ngayong ibigin ka.
Grabe, sobrang nakaka-touch kasi like every time nandyan kayo sa mga mall shows namin, you're always watching our new videos, you're watching our shows, you're always on our mga social media accounts. So, thank you guys so much for the love. We love you. Sobrang saya po, nakapagpa-picture ako. Forever ko po sila. Sila po yung happiness ko.
Sobrang saya!
Kahit paulit-ulit ko silang nakikita, palagi ko silang namimiss.
Basta mo lang ngayon at tayo na. Huwag na magpumilit, papagkipit ka pa ba? Pagkat nahirap ang patulang mo.
Please don't forget to grab a copy of our albums, available at all record bars nationwide and also downloadable on iTunes. Thanks guys for joining us.